Oh, why not? Chyba nie można?
Let's find somewhere to park and then just walk in.
Yeah, but people have to be able to leave the cars somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I mean, isn't it? No. Alright, talk now for someone.
Hello, how are you, dumbass?
There you go, there you go. Well, I'm sorry, damn, you're recording fucking shit for YouTube.
No, it's not the YouTube thing. It's not you. It's me, you dimmy. You thinking it's you? It's not.
Alright, let's go for have fun.
Yeah, bloody hell, I hope this mountain is really nice.
Alright, be quiet. Hey, what is up, you guys? It's your boy, MOTO.BANDYTA. How's it going, everybody? Today, me, Jack, Martin, we all came together to record a video for you guys. We're gonna talk about Cardo intercoms, and also we're gonna visit abandoned mansion. So that should be quite cool. Jack, say hello to the viewers.
Hi everyone, what's up everybody?
Alright, that's good, that's good. I need to mute you slightly. Yeah, you know what, I realized the volume in your phone was quite lowered, and you were listening to music as well, so I think that was the cause of me not hearing you properly. Jack?
Yeah, what?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Right, so today we're gonna talk about Cardo because me and Jack we recently bought one, and we got some things to say about it. Like, I'm personally loving it. You know, it's not too difficult. It's just a matter of getting used to it, in my opinion. It's really handy. Obviously, it's an intercom. You know, I would recommend it to anybody. If you're riding without one in a group or something like this, don't do it. It's wise to keep in contact with other riders. Yeah, I mean, like, honestly, personally, Jack, like, I cannot imagine riding without intercom now. I just can't. Yeah, that's it, innit? So let's hope Martin's gonna get one soon. That is it, bro. That is it. So yeah, I mean, like, I love the features that you can connect to different brands, like even like Chinese brands. You know, it just works really well. I tested out with Martin last week, and you know, it worked really well. I must say that. So yeah. So yeah. Hello. Well, say hello to the viewers. Fucking zero manners, man. Zero manners. Look at them bikes, man.
Yeah, I can see that.
Huh? Fair enough, fair enough. So yeah, never mind, I want to first. Shit. Right, so yeah, Jackie, hello, you there?
Yeah.
That's it, that's it. You know, because the issue is the voice commands is designed for like Americans, so I think that is the main issue. Aye, buddy. Aye, aye. Let's go. Views, man, honestly.
Oh yeah, it's a great view.
It is. I would say we could stop and take some pictures. Alright, let's stop.
Okay. Stop your bike.
Okay. Chcesz jakieś zdjęcia porobić? Ładnie tu, co?
Great scenery. Love it. Let's take it in. Look, there's some cows over there. Maybe you're looking for some whole cow.
I mean, like, according to my GPS, we are 2 minutes away from it. It's like somewhere there.
The house.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Me. We went past it, we're going backtailing it. Fuck it.
Well, that's the only way to get to it, so that's the issue.
Okay, let's keep going then, okay?
So, what do you want to do? Take some pictures or go to the house?
Yeah, we can take some pictures.
Yeah?
But then we need to park
We get pizza.
No.
Why there's no my bike?
No parking!
Oh yeah, no parking. Yesterday. Saturday, sorry.
Huh? Quickly, let's take some pictures and then we go.
Dobra, to może zobaczymy ten dom najpierw.
Alright. Let's go check out this house first and then...
Yeah, I think you can park down there.
Yo! Tutaj chcę porobić zdjęcia. Anna, it's amazing.
Alright, let's park it up ahead, let's go there.
Shall we? Take some quick pictures?
No.
Shall we take some quick pictures here?
Wiesz co, może tam się uda zatrzymać, bo tam będzie to samo, nie? Ja mogę przelecieć tutaj dronem.
No dobra, let's go, yeah, let's go. Let's go to the place and then... so we are on the other side.
We can quickly ask these nice things about family.
Sorry about that. Alright, there's a fence here, but I'm not too sure whether we are allowed to come in. No entry from 6 PM. No parking this gateway. Honestly, I don't know. It's fucking closed, but then... Wjeżdżamy czy nie?
Nie ma gdzie dostanąć, nie?
No właśnie o tym mówię, nie? To wjeżdżamy czy nie? Do you wanna like drive in and shit? I don't know. Like,
Drive in.
oh, why not? Chyba nie? Nie można?
Let's find somewhere to park and then just walk in.
Yeah, but people have to be able to leave the cars somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I mean, isn't it? No, you're normally allowed to drive in and fucking leave the cars inside. It's a parking area there.
From 10 p.m. to 6 p.m.
How about if we don't use our engines, we just like walk with the bikes?
You're fucking kidding.
No, I'm serious. Like, well, we're not gonna scare the fucking horses or anything. If we get told off, we say we don't know, innit?
You're nuts, right?
Yep.
Let me just move back a bit, you know? He's crazy.
Whoa.
And here we go. This is how you drive without an engine starter.
That is it. Oh man, this is perfect.
Fucking hell, fucking hell, fucking hell, fucking hell.
Jesus.
Fucking hell. Slow down, Jackie.
Let's position your bike for the picture. No to odpalisz go. On nie jest głośny aż tak. Come.
Here we go, guys. This is the most ridiculous thing you got me to do today.
Oh, don't thank me. Ustaw się do zdjęcia.